Business Analyst Job Profile, Role, Skills and Challenges. Business analysts, BAS, play an important role in achieving success in today's rapidly changing business environment, in which data drives decisions and innovative thinking drives growth. A business analyst job profile (ACTS) is a link between the technical and non-technical worlds, turning complex data into insights that enable organizations to make wise decisions. In this article,
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
we explore the realm of the business analyst job profile, clarifying key qualities, professional commitments, career paths, and a wealth of other insights. Key qualifications and skills of a business analyst. Becoming a proficient business analyst requires a unique blend of qualifications and business analyst skills that enable professionals to excel in their business analyst job profile role. From mastering the art of data analysis to fostering effective communication, here's a detailed look at the essential qualifications and skills that set business analysts on the path to success. Educational background. While there isn't a specific academic path carved out for business analyst job profile, a strong educational foundation can provide a competitive edge. Many successful BAS hold degrees in fields such as Business Administration. A degree in business administration equips BAS with a solid understanding of business principles, management, and strategy. Economics. An economics background provides a deep understanding of market dynamics for analyzing trends and making informed business decisions. Information technology. For BAs who operate in tech-driven industries, an IT-related degree can be beneficial in understanding complex systems and software. Engineering. Engineering graduates often possess strong problem-solving skills and analytical thinking, making them well-suited for the business analyst job role, especially in technical domains. Analytical skills. The business analyst work profile involves excelling in data analysis, trend identification, and deriving insights to inform strategic decisions. Core skills include data interpretation. BAS decode datasets, spot patterns, and draw conclusions for decision-making. Quantitative analysis. BAS apply statistical methods to analyze data and construct models. Communication skills. Effective communication is crucial for a business analyst job profile. They bridge technical and non-technical gaps, simplifying complex ideas. Key abilities. Stakeholder engagement. BAS connect with stakeholders, understanding needs and updating effectively. Presentation mastery. Conveying complex information through clear presentations is vital for diverse audiences. Technical acumen. While coding isn't mandatory, tech understanding is advantageous. Proficiency in Excel, SQL, and data visualization tools empowers data manipulation. Domain understanding. Comprehending the operating domain is critical. Domain knowledge contextualizes data, anticipates trends, and aligns insights with business goals. Problem solving. BAS excel as problem solvers. They dissect complexities, develop hypotheses, and innovate solutions driving business success. Adaptability and learning. In the ever-evolving business landscape, adaptability and learning are vital. Staying updated ensures insights remain impactful. Certifications. While optional, certifications validate expertise and growth commitment. Notable ones include Certified Business Analysis Professional, CBAP, showcases advanced BA skills. Project Management Professional, PMP, beneficial for project management-aligned BAS. Duties and responsibilities business analyst job profile. The success of the organization depends on the multifaceted and vibrant role of the management consultant, BA. By navigating businesses through the complexities of data, processes, and strategy, business analysts serve as guidelines for the business analyst job profile. In this section, we delve deeper into the core duties and responsibilities that define the realm of a business analyst. Requirement elicitation and documentation. At the heart of a business analyst's responsibilities lies the task of gathering and documenting requirements from various stakeholders. BAS conduct interviews, workshops, and surveys to understand business needs, translating them into clear and actionable specifications. This process ensures that all parties involved have a unified understanding of project objectives. Data analysis and interpretation. The BA job profile involves business analysts being adept at wrangling data to extract meaningful insights. They utilize analytical techniques to dissect large datasets, identify trends, and provide data-driven recommendations. By transforming raw data into actionable information, professionals in the BA job profile enable organizations to make informed decisions. Process analysis and improvement. BAS scrutinize existing business processes to identify inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement. Through careful analysis, they pinpoint bottlenecks, redundancies, and areas where workflows can be optimized. By proposing and implementing process enhancements, BAS contribute to increased efficiency and reduced operational costs. Solution design and specification. Collaborating closely with technical teams, BAS play a pivotal role in designing solutions that align with business requirements. They create detailed specifications, including user stories and functional requirements, ensuring that software development or system implementations meet organizational needs. Change management and user adoption. Introducing new processes or systems often necessitates change management. Business analysts facilitate seamless transitions by crafting communication plans, addressing user concerns, and providing training. Ensuring smooth user adoption is essential for maximizing the value of new initiatives. Project coordination and management. The business analytics job profile of business analysts frequently involves acting as project coordinators, adeptly bridging communication gaps between various teams and stakeholders. They define timelines, oversee project advancement, and ensure the alignment of deliverables with established targets. Effective project management plays a vital role in ensuring the proficient execution and realization of objectives and initiatives. Collaboration and stakeholder engagement. A significant portion of a BA's role involves fostering collaboration and engaging stakeholders. BAS act as liaisons between technical and non-technical teams, ensuring that all parties are aligned and informed. This collaboration facilitates the successful execution of projects and the attainment of business objectives. Risk assessment and mitigation. Identifying potential risks and devising strategies to mitigate them is a critical aspect of the BA role. By conducting risk assessments, BAS help organizations proactively address challenges, ensuring that projects are resilient to unforeseen obstacles. Documentation and knowledge management. Thorough documentation is the backbone of successful projects. BAS meticulously capture requirements, specifications, and project details, creating a repository of knowledge that aids in decision-making, future planning, and continuous improvement. Continuous learning and professional development. In the dynamic realm of business and technology, professionals in the business analyst profile must dedicate themselves to continuous learning. They diligently stay abreast of industry trends, emerging technologies, and evolving methodologies to ensure their lasting value. Business analysts have a wide range of duties. They grasp, dissect, and refine business processes. With their analytical, communication, and project management skills, they foster growth, innovation, and triumph. As business evolves, business analysts continue to play a vital role, steering organizations toward informed, data-driven choices. Industries and domains. The versatility of a business analyst job profile skill set enables them to thrive across a wide array of industries and domains. From finance to healthcare, retail to technology, BAS contribute their expertise to drive success. Finance and banking. In the finance sector, BAS analyze market trends, optimize investment portfolios, and ensure regulatory compliance. They develop financial models and risk assessment strategies that guide decision-making. Healthcare. BAS in healthcare focus on optimizing patient care, streamlining operations, and implementing electronic health record systems. They collaborate with medical professionals and IT teams to enhance patient outcomes. Retail and e-commerce. BAS in retail analyze consumer behavior, forecast demand, and improve supply chain management. They contribute to enhancing the customer experience and optimizing inventory levels. Technology. In the tech industry, BAS play a critical role in software development projects. They gather user requirements, create functional specifications, and ensure that software aligns with business objectives. Manufacturing. BAS in manufacturing enhance production processes, reduce waste, and optimize supply chain logistics. They contribute to improving operational efficiency and maintaining quality standards.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.